Next up, the Sharim Pass Elders Room. For this key, we'll need to navigate across to the southeast side of the map by Sharim Pass. Inside of here, we'll be looking at this center cluster of buildings here on top of this hill, and zooming in even further, we're looking at this building over here. It's the first big square in the southwest corner here. All we need to do is climb up the hill and get there. Of course, there is quite a bit of AI here, and this is usually quite an AI hotspot. So do be prepared. We can find it easily by looking for this tower over here, which is located pretty nearby. Not only are they unarmored AI, but also medium and heavy AI too. Not only that, but they also do call in backup. So fighting my way through this side of the town, there's a building here. This is the one we need to get into. Moving upstairs around the back and into the side room here. And onto the roof up here, you'll see the Sharim Pass Elders Room. Probably best to fly here and land here, that way you don't have to fight many things, but anyways, that's where it is. It's very difficult to get to, it took me probably 20 minutes of non-stop fighting to get here, 2 ammo boxes, and of course a ton of effort and close calls. Anyways, that's really about it for this relatively quick video. Thank you all for watching, my name's been Techno here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!